In this video I show you how a neodymium block, magnet block consisting of 27 small cube magnets that measure 10 by 10 by 10 millimeters can be used for organizing metal objects like paper clips. The magnet comes packaged inside a round tin container with a translucent perspex lid. Each magnet has a pull force rating of N35, which is more than powerful enough for most household uses. You can watch other videos posted on this channel to see what other uses you can put these magnets to. They can be used as fridge magnets in the office and has great utilitarian uses in workshops and tool sheds for organising tools and other such objects. Here I demonstrate one simple way you can use these small magnets to organise your paper clips. It's really useful to have around the home, and it makes a great gift too. You can pick up this 27-piece cube block at the web address that you see on the screen. However, if you check the description to this YouTube video, you'll find another link to a limited time promotional offer giving you 10% off, valid until current stocks run out. Delivery times are 1 to 3 days throughout the US.